Here I have ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly, you'll have to open Settings, and you have to go to the System section, then go to the Backup, then you have to enable this feature, Backup to Google Drive, and then you have to add your Google account. Of course, you'll need internet connection to add Google account. Here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap Next. Then you have to enter your password. Next. Then you have to agree with Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. And at last, what you have to do is to tap Accept here. And after that, your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.